Hi guys! If you're a skilled and experienced rapper, you can deliver the highest quality with ease and very quickly. That is what most of people usually think. People that don't do rapping. In today's episode, I'm gonna take you through one of real jobs I'm gonna do from the beginning to the end and show you the final result depends on something more: communication. Guys, you have just seen process of rapping from the beginning to the end, and the rap looks awesome now. But communication matters. If the sales guy wouldn't ask me which film I prefer and he would stick to the same cast as usually, I might have a difficulty to install that area in a way that this logo and these signs would stay undistorted, because they are pretty close to the recess. If the designer wouldn't ask me how to split the graphic and use vertical drops as usually, I might have an issue with some places. For instance, that corner would stay unwrapped, or I would do it from patches. Here I would have some whitening from stretch, and of course I would have overlaps here, which wouldn't look the best, and I would spend far more time on lining up the graphic. Also, I wouldn't be able to install one big piece alone very easily with no stretch technique. If printing guy wouldn't stick to my tips on outgassing, vinyl would be more tacky and more gummy. That wouldn't line up so perfectly. And of course, it would be far more difficult to install it alone. If we all wouldn't communicate, I would spend far more time on wrapping. And some issues I wouldn't be able to overcome. Communication matters.